Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into the University of Queensland as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in my UQ login. That is my UQ login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link. Tap on login. You'll need to enter your UQ username along with your password and then hit login. If you have not already activated your account, then in the search bar you must type in UQ account activation. That is UQ account activation. You can then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on tap on application services. Tap on create account. You'll have to enter your family name, your first name, your email address, and your password to sign up for an account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.